Hi everybody, I'm back. Mrs. Kennebec is going to be taste testing some new things for you. Today I went to Target and I was looking at some of the different sodas and I came upon this Tepache modern Mexican soda that I'm going to try for you. This is tropical punch flavor. It's apparently USDA organic and infused with the tradition of refreshing twist, crafting the first Mexican-American soda, modern Mexican soda. Anyway, I'm very excited to try this. I'm excited to be back on the channel. How's that for ASMR? It's only 50 calories for the whole can. All right, here we go. That's interesting. It's different than I thought it would be. It's a very delicate flavor. You get like a hint of tropical punch. I don't think I would go rush right out and buy a whole bunch of them to drink, but I can see if you have it really cold on a hot day, it would be pretty refreshing. It's got agave in it. Yeah, it's got agave in it. Anyway, not bad. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. What other products do you think I should taste test? Let me know. Leave a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.